Lion, tiger. Oh my. My nostrils snorted. I think I am on drugs. I know your vagina is right there.
Yep, it sure is.
Is it covered?
Yes, it's got a blanket over it and
My
pants.
sister said in the bathroom, she said, do lesbians just like the vagina? It's like no killing. Husbands like boobies too. Cause they do too. I'm fucked up. Because I had 4 beers.
That's it?
Yeah.
She had shots too.
I had 1 shot.
You had 4 beers in 1 shot. And magic gum.
Yeah. I love you, though.
I love you too.
I'm moving.
She grabs my hand and she's like, "What is your hand? What's wrong with it?" I'm like, "Nothing." She's like, "Give it to me. I need to see your fortune."
What?
This is you.
Yes.
Okay. Her sign does not change. Anybody that was born with their sign does not change. If you were born on the day that the signs changed, your sign changed. But if you were being born before that, your sign did not change. It just said it today. Actually, I did. Because I'm a fucking Aries, bitches. And I'm going to be a diamond until I die. And I'm going to be a butch dyke.
I am.
Because I'm going to be motherfucking Aries. Just stuff like that. I mean, never, ever. I want to be a Pisces. Fuck that fucking shit.
Kelsey, do you really think I'm a Gemini?
No! Like Capricorn, we can be Carol, we can be recording.
What did you just say?
I don't know, that shit pisses me off all the time. It's so bullshit. The Japanese and the Chinese do not know what the fuck they're talking about.
What does that have to do with the Japanese and the Chinese?
I love you, Kelsey.
You guys?
I'm not allowed to laugh. What the fuck was that?
Let me just tell you something. I felt like the fat kid that loves cute tonight. Tucked in. I feel safe.
That's good.
There's been this guy following me all in spring.
Was it cute?
Very good on everything. He just keeps talking to me. Just stop talking to him, okay? Shut up. Stop laughing!
Oh my god. Oh my god, what is that, Kelsey?
No, it's not funny. This is also funny. Just not going around. Okay, here's the thing. Okay, here's the thing. Ow! This motherfucking thing! I'm sorry. Where's Edward?
He was barking in the kennel.
He got home! Oh my god! What am I supposed to do when he's been at home all night? I gotta go home. We gotta walk home.
No, Kelsey.
I gotta pull up my pants. Okay. My sister dressed me in her clothes. I have my sister's clothes on.
They look good on you.
Shut the fuck up. There's a booger in my nose. Actually,
Yes. What?
I'm a friend.
You're my friend too.
I don't know. No.
Are you gonna eat that?
Why?
Why were you gonna eat that?
What if I move to Madison, Wisconsin because there's...
We'll never talk to you again.
No, we won't talk to you anymore.
You guys already discussed this?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What if it's a job journey of a lifetime?
It's not.
Not.
How do you know?
It's not.
Have you looked it up?
No.
It's a missions representative.
Okay.
That's what my degree's for. I should apply for it.
You should.
I'm not going to.
Why not?
Because I belong here, and so do you.
How do you know this?
Jesus told me.
You're Jewish. You don't believe in Jesus. I wonder, those Jewish people?
Jews believe in Jesus.
Not all of them. And how much?
Yeah, they all believe in Jesus, they just don't believe that he was the Son of God.
Your mother?
No, I don't know. Okay. This is what I do.
Hello.